In this quick guide, I'll show you how to use sticker.ly stickers in iMessage on your phone. It's super easy, so let's get started. First of all, head over to App Store and search for sticker.ly and download it. Simply download it. After you have downloaded, simply open it and simply log into your account. You can log into your Google account. Then open sticker.ly. You can either create your own sticker. You can simply click the plus icon and create your own sticker. You can create a regular or animated one, or simply choose one sticker pack. After you have choose one, step 3 is to add sticker.ly to iMessage. Now open iMessage, go to any chat and tap the App Store icon next to the text box. Swipe left on the app drawer and move and tap more. Scroll down and turn on toggle next to sticker.ly. I can show in the Android phone because this is my Android phone, but this is the step. You can simply go to the iMessage, go to any chat and tap the App Store icon next to the text box. Then swipe left on the app drawer and tap more. Scroll down and turn on the toggle next to sticker.ly and you can simply use the sticker in chat. Go back to the iMessage drawer, tap the sticker.ly icon and you will see all your sticker there. Just tap any sticker to send it instantly. And that's it. You are now using sticker.ly inside iMessage. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe and let me know your favorite sticker pack in the comment. And I'll see you in the next one.